Class 9 Mathematics. The topic is trigonometrical ratio and identities. Chapter 8 and exercise 8.3. Let us start in this exercise. What will be happen? So you can see here the counting is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is divided by 4. And do the square root on each. Yes, now right here it is 0 degree, it is 30 degree, that is 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And here is sine value, sine, then cos, tan, here is cot, and here is sec and cosec. What will we have to see? 0 upon 4, that is the 0, you can write here 0. And here is 1 upon 4 square root, that it becomes 1 by 2. And this one is 1 upon root 2, and this one is root 3 by 2, and this one is only 1. So this is the value of sine 0 and sine 30 and sine 45 and sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. So you can make the table all these value of the angles. So you can just reverse of this. In cos it is 1 is here, and once again it is root 3 by 2 and it is 1 by root 2, and this one is here 1 by 2, and here is 0. Now tan, it is the sine upon cos, so you can divide this one. So we get 0, and here is 1 by root 3, and here is only 1, and here is root 3, and this one is infinitive. Cot, just reverse of this one, so it is infinitive, root 3, and here is 1 by root 3, and here is 0. Now sec is the just reverse of the cos, so you can write here 1, and it is the 2 by root 3, and here is root 2, and here is 2, and here is that is the 0, and it is the infinitive. Now cosec, just reverse to this, it is infinitive, it is 2 root 2 and 2 upon root 3 and 1. So this is the table of all the trigonometric angles values. So you can make your own table, very easy. It's very easy, you can form in your copy very well. Now you can see in your textbook also this table is given, but first of all you can do in your copy with the help of this example. Let us see, this table is given here in your booklet. So that is the angle and ratio. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sin theta, that is the sine ratio, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Sin 0, that is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90, that is 1. So you have to learn by heart this table. Let us start how can apply in the question. Now example 6, find the value of this cos 60, cos 30 degree plus sin 60, sin 30 degree. Let us start. So cos 60 degree, cos and cos 30 degree and plus sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree. Now put the values. Cos 30 is, cos 60 is, it is 1 by 2 and cos 30 it is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 30 that is 1 by 2. So it is the root 3 by 4 and plus it is also root 3 by 4. So we get 2 root 3 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So our answer is root 3 by 2. So that is your answer. Let us see the example 7. It is the 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 degree minus it is minus 4 tan square 30 degree. And divided by 2 sin 30 and cos 30 degree plus tan 45 degree. Put the values of all this. So 5 sin 30 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 45 it is 1 by root 2 and whole square minus 4 tan 30 that is the 1 by root 3 and whole square. Now here is 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and plus tan 45 that is 1. So here 2 cancel with 2. Here is 5 into 1 upon 4 plus it is 1 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 3. And here is that is the root 3 by 2 and here is plus 1. So what will be happen? Now taking their LCM of the denominator. So we get here LCM is 4 plus and 4 3 are 12. So you have to write here 12 and here 4 3 are 12 and 5 3 are 15 plus 2 6 are 12, so 6 is here and 3 4 are 12 and 4 4 are 16 and in down, so you have to write LCM is 2. LCM is 2, that is the root 3 or plus 2. Now solve this here. So what will be happen? That the 15 and 6, that is the 21. 21 minus 16 and divided by 12 upon root 3 plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. So what will be happen? 21 minus 16, that is the 5. So 5 upon 6 and here is 1 upon root 3 plus 2. So just like this one, root 3 minus 2 and here is root 3 minus 2. So it becomes 5 by 6 into root 3 minus 2 upon it is 3 square minus 2 square. So 5 upon 6 root 3 minus 2 and here is 3 minus 3 3 is 9. It is not 9. It is 3 only because it is root 3. So root 3 that is the minus 4. So here you can write here 5 by 6 into root 3 minus 2 and divided by minus 1. So it becomes minus 5 root 3 minus 2 and divided by 6. So that is your answer. Now come to the exercise 8.3, that is the first question. Choose the correct option from the following. So which one is correct? So let us see, start this one. So 1 minus tan square 45 degree, and here is 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So what will be happen? 1 minus tan 45, that is 1. So you can write 1 square, and here is 1 plus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 1, and here is 1 plus 1. So it is 0 upon 2, that becomes 0. So value is 0. So C option is correct. Now in second question, 2 tan 30 and divide by 1 minus tan square 30. Now put the value. So 2 into root 30 is 1 by root 3, and here is 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So it becomes 2 by root 3, and here is 1 minus 1 by 3. So it is 2 by root 3, taking their LCM is 3, and we get 3 minus 1. Let us see here. It is 2 by root 3, and here is we get 3 minus 1, that is the 2 upon 3. So once again 2 by root 3 and multiply by 3 by 2. So 2 cancel with 2. So we get under root 3 cancel to 3. So we get root 3. And root 3 is value of tan 60. It is the tan 60 degree. So you have to take the C option. Now come to the second question. Evaluate the following. First question. So cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 30 degree and sin 45 degree. So put the value. Cos 30, that is the root 3 by 2. Cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. Sin 30, it is 1 by 2. Cosine 45, it is 1 by root 2. So we have to write here root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Taking their LCM, LCM is 2 root 2, and it becomes root 3 minus 1, and that one is your answer. Let us see the second question of this. Tan 30 sec 45 plus tan 60 and sec 30 degree. So tan 30 is, that is the 1 by root 3, sec 45 it is root 2 plus tan 60 root 3, and sec 30, that is the sec 30, that is the 2 by root 3. So you can write here, taking their LCM, it is the root 2 upon root 3, and plus it is 2 root 3 upon root 3. Taking their LCM, LCM is root 3, and here is root 2 plus 2 root 3, and it is your answer. Now come to the third question. What will be happen in your third question? It is the cosec 30 degree plus cot 45 degree. Put the value of cosec 30 degree, it is 2, and cot 45, that is the 1. So 3 is your answer. Now come to the fourth part of this, that is the cot 60 degree and divided by sec 30 degree or minus tan 45 degree. So what will be happen? Cot 60, that is the 1 by root 3, and sec 30, that is 2 by root 3, and minus tan 45, that is 1. So 1 by root 3, taking their LCM, it is root 3, and here is 2 minus root 3. Root 3 will be cancelled out. So we get 1 by 2 minus root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. So we get 1 upon 2 minus root 3 multiply by conjugate factor 2 plus root 3 in numerator and denominator also. So it becomes 2 plus root 3, and here is 2 square minus root 3 square. it is a square minus b square. So we can write here 2 plus root 3 upon 4 minus 3, and that is the 2 plus root 3 and upon 1. So we get 2 plus root 3 only, and it is your answer. Now come to the fifth part of this one. It is your tan square 60 degree plus tan square 45 degree. Tan square 60 degree, that is the root 3 and whole square. Tan 45, that is 1 whole square. Root 3, so 3 and 1 is 1 only, so we get 4, and that is your answer. Now come to the sixth part. It is the cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree and upon. It is 1 plus cos of 60 degree plus sin of 30 degree. Let us put the values. Cos 30, that is the root 3 by 2. Sin 60, that is root 3 by 2 upon 1 plus cos 60, that is 1 by 2, and sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So here is 2 root 3 1 2, and here is 1 and 1 half and half 1 and 1 and 1, that is the 2. So 2 will be cancelled out, so we get root 3 by 2. So that will be your answer. Now come to the seventh part of this one. It is sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree and divided by tan square 60 degree. Put the value. Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos 45, it is 1 by root 2 and whole square. Tan 60, it is root 3 and whole square. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and here is 3. So we get 1 by 2 half and half, that is the 1, and here is 3. So that will be your answer. Now come to the eighth question, that is the sine of 30 degree minus sine of 90 degree plus 2 cos of 0 degree. And here is tan 30 degree and tan 60 degree. So tan sine 30, that is 1 by 2, sine 90 1, 2 cos 0, that is 1. Tan 30, it is 1 by root 3, and tan 60, that is the root 3. Root 3 will be cancelled out to each other. So we get 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2. So here is it is 1 by 2 plus 1. So taking their LCM is 2. So 1 plus 2. So we get it is 3 by 2, and that will be your answer. Let us see the third one. First question, first check whether it is true or false. So you can write first sine 30 cos 60 degree plus cos 30 and sine 60 degree equal to tan of 90 degree. So put the value. Sine 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2 plus cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, or sine 60, that is root 3 by 2, and tan 90, that is infinite. So it is 1 by 4, it is 3 by 4 is equal to infinite. So we can say it is 4 by 4, so it is infinite. So 1 becomes infinite, but 1 does not equal to infinity, so it is false. So that will be your answer. Now come to the second part of this question. 1 minus 2 sine square 30 degree is equal to cos square 60 degree. Let us see. 1 minus 2 sine 30, it is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 60, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, that is the 1 by 4, and it is 1 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 1 minus 1 by 2, that becomes 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. एक में से हाफ 1 में से हाफ लेस करेंगे तो हाफ ही बचेगा, बट 1 by 2 never equal to 1 by 4. So it is false. So that will be your answer. Now come to the third part. Third part is 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 is equal to cos 90 degree. So let us see. Cos 45, it is 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. Cos 90 is 0. It is 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 cancel with 2. So we get 1 minus 1. So 0 will be equal to. So it is true. So that will be your answer. Let us see the fourth part of this question. It is sin square 45 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 45 degree. Let us see sin 45, it is 1 by root 2 whole square. It is 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square. So it becomes 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 में से 1 by 2 लेस करेंगे तो 1 by 2 ही मिलेगा. So both are equal. So it is true. So that will be your answer. Let us see the fifth part. It is the sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree is equal to 1. So sin 60, it is the root 3 by 2 whole square, and cos 60, it is 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1. So it is 3 by 4 and it is 1 by 4 equal to 1. Taking their LCM, so it is 4. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So 4 upon 4 equal to 1. 4 cancel with 4. So we get 1. So that means it is true. So you have to write this answer. Now solve the following equation. Example 8. So first of all you have to write 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to. That means you can find the value of theta. So sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta, 1 is transferred to right hand side, so it becomes 1. So sin of theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to, it is 1 by 2. 2 is transferred to right hand side. So 1 by 2 value of sin 30. So we have to write sin 30. So theta becomes 30 degrees. So it is the solution of the equation. Now come to the example 9. It is root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to root 3 transferred to right hand side. So it is 1 by root 3. So tan theta, tan में वैल्यू किसकी है ये देख लीजिए. So tan, it is tan 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree and that is your answer. Now come to the exercise 8.4. The first question, find the value of theta. So sin theta is equal to cos theta. Dividing by cos theta on both sides. It is sin theta upon cos theta. It is cos theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta will be cancelled out to each other. Sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. Tan theta 1. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. So theta will be equal to 45 degree and that is your answer. Now come to the second question in this. It is 2 cos theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 value of in cos. So that is the cos 60 degrees. So theta becomes 60 degrees. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question of this. So 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. That means sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 value sin theta में किसकी होती है? It is sin of 30 degrees. So you have to write theta is equal to 30 degree as an answer. Now come to the fourth question. What will be happen in your fourth question? 3 tan square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3 tan square theta is equal to 1. So tan square theta is equal to 1 by 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 tan में किसकी वैल्यू होती है आप लोगों को पता है. It is tan of 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree, and that will be your answer. Now come to the fifth. It is 2 sine theta is equal to root 3. So sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So sine theta किस में वैल्यू होती है root 3 by 2? Do you know? It is sine of 60 degree. So theta will be equal to 60 degree, and that will be your answer. Now come to the sixth question of this one exercise. It is tan theta is given as 0. So tan theta में किसकी वैल्यू 0 होती है? That is the tan 0. So you have to write theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to 0 degree, and that will be your answer. Now solve the following equation for the theta. इसको भी solve करना है. 7th question है. So 3 cosec square theta is equal to 4. So you have to write cosec square theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then cosec theta is equal to root 4 by 3. Then cosec theta is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 cosec में किसकी वैल्यू होती है? It is the cosec, which one? It is 60 degree. So theta will be equal to 60 degree, and that will be your answer. Now come to the 8th question. It is 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. So cos theta becomes 1 by 2, और 1 by 2 वैल्यू किसकी होती है cos में? It is cos 60 degree. So theta will be equal to 60 degree, and that will be your answer. Now come to the 9th question. It is the 4 sine square theta minus 3 equal to 0. Then sine square theta with 4 is equal to 3. Then sine square theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now sine theta is equal to square root of 3 by 4. So sine theta will be equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 किसकी वैल्यू होती है किस एंगल की? So sine of it is 60 degree. So you have to write theta is equal to 60 degree, and that is your answer. Now 10th question. It is 4 of sec square theta minus 1 is equal to 3. So 4 sec square theta is equal to 3 minus plus 1. So sec square theta is equal to 4. Sec square theta is 4 sec square theta. So 4 by 4. So it becomes 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1. So sec theta is equal to 1. So 1. So sec में 1 किसकी वैल्यू होती है बच्चों? Sec theta is equal to sec 0 degree. So theta will be equal to 0 degree, and that is your answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. That is the given as cot square theta is equal to root 3. So cot theta is equal to root 3. Cot square theta is equal to 3. Then cot theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 वैल्यू किसकी होती है cot में? Do you know? It is cot of 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree, and that is your answer. मेरे ख्याल से एक्सरसाइज समझ में आ गई होगी. इसके नीचे लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज एक्सरसाइज यहीं पे समाप्त करता हूँ. फिर मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज के साथ. मेरी वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे, जिससे मुझे लगे कि हाँ आप लोग इसको देख रहे हैं और पसंद कर रहे हैं, तो मैं आगे बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा.